Hi everyone, I'm Maricho Petrosky and would like you to know that all of our recipes are on our website ad-free at happyfeetsandpaws.com. And today we are going to make blueberry pancakes. Let's start with a cup of buttermilk. Mix in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter melted. Crack 1 large egg in the mixture. Pour a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure to whisk to well incorporate. Put the wet mixture to the side and let's start to mix the dry ingredients. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, a tablespoon of sugar. We will add half a teaspoon of salt and just a hint of cinnamon. It's empty. Sift this together. Make sure to sift to achieve a fluffy and airy batter. Then let's mix the flour mixture to the wet ingredients. Add the flour mixture in small portions 4 times. Mix until flour blends well with the wet mixture. Continue in gradually adding the dry to the wet mixture. Use a wire whip to well incorporate until a smooth and thick batter forms. Now let's add our blueberries. Fold the berries and be very careful to avoid piercing the berries that can cause them to bleed in the batter. Let it sit for 10 minutes to allow the baking powder and soda to do their magic. Now it's time to make our blueberry pancakes. Generously brush some melted butter on a griddle or pan over medium heat. Then put a scoop or 2 of the blueberry batter. Look at them flop up as they cook. When you see tiny holes all around, it's time to flip the pancakes. When I flip it over, watch the pancake grow as it cooks. Dun dun dun! Cook the other side for 2 to 3 minutes or until golden brown. Then transfer to a clean plate. Let's assemble our stack of blueberry pancakes. Put however many blueberry pancakes on your plate. Add more fresh berries and softened butter, and of course, generously pour some maple syrup. There you have it, my very fluffy and airy blueberry pancakes. Serve warm and enjoy! More. Yum. Now it's time to make our pancakes. Wrong. Babe, can you mute that, please? I get distracted.
He just lost his sucker.